Minting with Metro Mermaids. Covering single NFT mints to small bulk batches, vending machine sales, and single address sales. Contents of this course curriculum. Here is what we will cover in this Cardano NFT minting course. Image specifications, uploading and obtaining IPFS, single NFT minting using our NFT tool at Metro Mermaids Mint, metadata reference guide, vending machine NFT sales versus single address NFT sales, policy ID unlocked versus locked, obtaining your script keys, spreadsheet preparation and specifics, choosing and scheduling a launch or drop date, bulk mints for airdrops or peer-to-peer sales, submitting a GitHub pull request for parties requiring verification, and what do we charge. Metro Mermaids Stake Pool ticker tails is why we offer our CNFT tool, mint services, and resources. We donate 50% of our monthly block rewards to ocean restoration and conservation. Do one thing every day that scares you, said by Eleanor Roosevelt. Image and content preparation. Image specifications, uploading and obtaining IPFS. Preparing your NFT. Soft recommendation for NFT cover images is that they be less than or equal to 1 megabyte. To offer print resolution, 2000 by 2000 or larger and 300 dpi is what my print manufacturer recommends. When we say cover image, we need a thumbnail image displayed on pool.pm. Uploading and obtaining IPFS. We recommend using Pinata.cloud for uploading images. Pinata offers free accounts with up to 1 gigabyte of storage. Once you have created your account, it is just 2 simple steps. Keep your image CIDs handy. You will need them later regardless of minting preference. First, upload your image. Copy the CID. This will always start with QM. Single and small batch NFT minting using Metro Mermaids Mint tool. Naming your NFT. Naming your NFT can seem intimidating as it is, but there are a few specifications to follow as well. Your NFT sticker name needs to be short without spaces and no special characters. Think of this as an internal name used by your wallet for your NFT. It needs to be unique. Display name is how your NFT's name will be displayed on Pool.pm. It can have spaces, funny characters, and match naming of other NFTs in your collection. Policy details. Unlocked policies allow you to mint more NFTs under the same policy and burn if needed. The ability to reuse a policy is tied to the receiving address. Select Save this policy or Lock policy, not both. Save a policy and have it open forever by selecting Save this policy and not checking anything else. Save a policy and have it open for a year by checking both Save this policy and 1 year policy. Enter IPFS, edit metadata, and mint. Enter your IPFS CID from Pinata, then click Preview. Once the image loads, click the green Use this IPFS button. Now we can edit metadata. If your NFT contains adult content, change the NSFW tag to true. Change my website and Twitter URL to your own links, and add an Instagram URL. Click Create NFT, send payment to the address provided, and your NFT will arrive shortly in your wallet. For reference, in the lower right-hand corner is our metadata reference guide to give examples of different ways you can customize your metadata. Broken down simply, you can mint with our tool in 4 simple steps. First, upload and obtain your IPFS CID, then head to Metro Mermaids Mint tool. Second, choose your NFT ticker name, NFT display name, and enter wallet address to receive NFT in. Third, select policy details and enter your IPFS. Fourth, edit your metadata with your contact information and pay. Again, for reference, in the bottom right-hand corner is our metadata reference guide. Vending machine NFT sales and single address sales. Single address NFT sales and vending machine sales are our most common requests. They allow artists to release their work with no upfront costs. Policy ID. What unlocked versus locked means. With an unlocked policy, you can create more NFTs under the policy, i.e. set 1, set 2, set 3. You can update an NFT, i.e. sell grayscale versions and update them with custom color versions later on, versus a locked policy. A locked policy signifies that the collection is complete and not to be minted or burned or added to. Standard, in my experience, the majority of projects leave a policy unlocked anywhere between 9 months to a year to allow time for sales and marketing. Next is our spreadsheet preparation and specifics. We use our Metro Mermaids NFT metadata questionnaire to fill in the information you would like included in your NFT's final form and preview it via pool.pm's test metadata tool. Our spreadsheet looks like this. It's a lovely gold and white and blue spreadsheet. It's pretty straightforward, but it can be intimidating. When you open the file, click File in the top left corner. Then make a copy and give it a title name for your project. Filling in step 1. On your spreadsheet in the lower left-hand corner is a step 1 and step 2 tab. First, decide on the price you wish to charge for your NFT and enter that amount for your NFT unit price. Next, enter the wallet you want your profits to be sent to. Then decide on policy ID duration, keeping in mind policies must be unlocked for the duration of your sale. Percentage means our fee for hosting your sale. Our costs are covered later with how to obtain discounts. Next, let us know the planned date and time you receive from us for your launch. Number of Discord users is only relevant if you use this as the main location for your community. You can choose 10 NFTs from your sale for giveaway. Highlight those NFTs in blue. Step 2. Now begins the fun part of filling in details for your NFTs. NFT column can be left alone. Ticker name is your NFT's internal wallet name again. This name is to be short, no spaces or funny characters. The biggest limitation of these spaces is that the names cannot be longer than 32 characters. Your NFT display name cannot be longer than 64 characters. Here is where you're going to need your IPFS CID from Pinata earlier. You will need to copy and paste each individual image's IPFS into this spreadsheet. If the same image covers 5 NFTs, you will need to enter the IPFS for each row. When entering URL information, be sure to include https:// in your links. If you finished your spreadsheet, head to our Discord board and post the link to your spreadsheet. Myself or one of my moderators will grab your spreadsheet and review it. If anything needs to be fixed, they will DM you any necessary changes or missing details that they need. If everything is all set, we'll let you know we're good to have your launch, and we send it off to our tech. He builds out the sales system, and I will return a sales countdown page link, sales instructions, and a sales tech support URL to you. You are then ready for your launch. Choosing and scheduling a launch drop date. Currently, we schedule launches through our Discord board. This allows us to share our calendar in one central location so that our clients can ensure their drops are not overlapping others. Simply head to the board, check the calendar, and let us know what day you would like to have your sale go live. Bulk mints for airdrops or peer-to-peer sales. Preparing for an airdrop or bulk mint. Preparing for an airdrop or bulk mint is the same process as preparing for a vending machine sale or single address sale. Make a copy of our Metro Mermaids NFT metadata questionnaire. If you are requesting an airdrop, we need a spreadsheet of addresses or the policy IDs of any collection you wish to airdrop to. If you are requesting a bulk mint, enter your address to have the NFTs sent to. The more NFTs you send to the same wallet, the more you will impact the usability of that wallet. If you have a large set, consider splitting it into multiple wallets. Please note, minimum ADA value is around 1.5 ADA to send airdrops out. Airdrops require you to cover that fee, i.e. if you are airdropping 150 NFTs, you are going to have about 225 ADA in network fees to send them. You do not need to worry about Discord users in these drops, nor do we need unit price. Due to the amount of time and labor for these mints, we charge 100 ADA for airdrops and bulk mints. Anything over 150 NFTs is subject to a price increase. The rest of this process is the same as step 2 for filling in your NFT details. NFT number column can be left alone. Ticker is your NFT's internal wallet name. It needs to be short with no spaces or funny characters. It is limited to 32 characters. Display name cannot be longer than 64 characters. You will need to copy your IPFS CID from Pinata here as well. You will need to copy and paste each individual image's IPFS into the spreadsheet. If the same image covers 5 NFTs, you need to enter the IPFS for each row. Once filled in, head to our spreadsheet board and wait verification. Once we've verified your spreadsheet, we'll let you know you're good to go for your launch and return the necessary links previews for your airdrop. Submitting a GitHub pull request for parties requiring verification. Sign up for a GitHub account. Locate the repository you need to update by searching. In the top right corner is a link called Fork. Click on it. This makes a copy of that set of files. Depending on if you're updating or amending or adding a new file, your steps here will be slightly different. If you're updating a file, locate and click on the edit button in the top right corner. It's a little pencil. At this stage, what you need to change and edit will depend upon that type of file or system that they're using. It may be copying and pasting a line and adding your policy. It may be changing a URL. You'll have to go into more detail with that specific party's verification process. If you're adding a new file, locate an existing file similar to the one you would like to add. Click the copy button, then go back a page. In the top right corner, click Add File, then Create New File. Paste the contents from your copied file. Edit your information and name the file to match your NFT project. Scroll to the bottom of the page and find the Commit Changes box. When submitting for a certain marketplace's verification, this is another place you will want to paste a link to your public publication of your policy ID. Then click the green Commit Changes box. At the top of this page is a pull request link. Click here. You're then going to click Create New Pull Request, Create Pull Request again. Then make sure your link in the comments is correct, and then click Create Pull Request one last time. You can now wait for verification of your project. What do we charge? 10% is our standard rate for our vending and single address systems. As a Tails delegator, we offer a 5% discount, making it a 5% fee. Being a charity-focused pool, we will often work with other charity projects to offer further discounts for those causes. Our 5% delegator discount is a way for us to reward our delegators. Our delegators are key to our stake pool success, and we are often looking for ways to reward them, and this is one way that we can say thank you. The variable fee for charity projects, being, again, a charity-focused pool, we are always working to highlight when giving back and building a stronger community and doing good for our planet and community is the focus. Thank you for finishing this course, and best wishes for all your CNFT projects going forward.